Hi everyone, I just wanted to welcome you to the 21 Day Fix, and I thought that I would do this quick instructional video on how to figure everything out because I know it can be a little overwhelming at first. So first of all, when you got your package, you should have gotten your program guide or your eating plan, along with this leaflet that explains how you can enter the contest for before and afters to win for a chance to win $100,000, and at the end you'll actually get a free t-shirt, 21 Day Fix t-shirt that you can get, and it's free shipping as well, so make sure that you hold on to that and enter your stuff when you're done. There's the 3-day quick fix, which is suggested to be done for the last 3 days of the 21 days. And then there's a little brochure on your before and after and Shakeology as well. Okay, and then of course you have your containers. I just have a couple here for examples, but basically what you're going to do when you get your package is you're going to look through the book and you're going to read it cover to cover. On page 4 in the guide, there is a mathematical equation where it's going to help you figure out your calorie level. So basically you're going to take your current weight in pounds, you're going to times it by 11, which gives you your baseline, and then you're going to go through the other steps. Based on that number that you get, it's going to tell you which plan you will follow, 1, 2, 3, or 4. And the plans will tell you, for example, if you're following plan number 1, then you're going to get 3 green, which is your vegetable, 2 purple, which is your fruit, 4 red, which is your protein, so that can be your meat, it can be things like quinoa if you're vegetarian or vegan, it can be yogurt, those types of things. You get 2 yellow, which are your starch, and a blue and an orange as well. Okay, so figure out which plan you are, and then you're going to know how many containers a day you will get. What you want to do is read through all of the details in the book that talk about what each container counts for. Okay, and you're going to read the lists. So it tells you what your green container, what can go in your green container. Sometimes it's what will fit in the container. Sometimes it's a number. So for example, baby carrots, it's actually 10 carrots, not what can fit in here. So you need to make sure that you read your list and then you know that you're doing the correct thing. Okay, and then what I did is in the group, you will notice I've posted a tracker, and the tracker that I posted is based on plan 1, but you can change it. You can change it at the top. If you go in and click on it, you can change the number of containers, and then this will allow you to track. The trick with the 21 Day Fix is planning and preparation. So first of all, to give you an example of what I do, the day before I go and I plan my meals for that day. Because otherwise, if you don't, at the end of the day, you may have a bunch of random containers left over and you're going to have a really weird dinner in store. So I tend to have my Shakeology for breakfast. So Shakeology is a red container. It's on the red list. And I have it with half a banana, which is a purple container, and I do it with water and ice. And then my snack 2, I have Greek yogurt, which is a red container, along with a fruit in it. So in this case, I had a pear, which would be a purple container. Then for lunch, I have hummus, which is a blue container. Carrots, I have 10 baby carrots, which is a green container. Quinoa, which is a yellow container, or it can count as a red one, depending. And then I have olives. It sounds weird, but I like the salty with the quinoa. And the olives, you get 10, and that's your yellow container. Then in the afternoon, I would have a wrap, which is a yellow container. It's a whole wheat wrap, the small 6-inch one, along with peanut butter, a teaspoon. So that counts as one of my teaspoons. And then this day, for example, I had some more yogurt, but you could have, you could make the wrap with turkey instead, and have your red container count for that. And then for dinner, I had a red container of chicken, and then 2 green containers of veggies, and I cooked them in coconut oil, which counts as one of my teaspoons. So that's an example day for you. And then I track my water as well on the bottom. And I've written my workout on the side as well. And then I printed out all 3 weeks, so I have 3 of the sheets. And the last 3 days of my 3rd week, I will be following this guide, the 3-day fix, and following that meal plan. Okay? So the key is being prepped and organized, having the right food in the fridge, referring to this. I've also put up a quick reference guide for you, so you don't have to be flipping through the book. It's the same information for the list there. Okay? So if you have any questions, message me and let me know, and just get to it. It's an amazing program. It will literally form healthy habits for you. It's an amazing program. It's 21 days to form a habit. The program is 21 days for a reason. It's going to teach you a lot about what you were doing before that maybe wasn't too healthy, fix up your portion sizes, and get you feeling like $1,000,000 by the end. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy it.